Good morning, boys and girls. So today we are doing a writing activity, and you are supposed to think about, do you like Peeps or do you like jelly beans? Now, Mrs. Cole had a very difficult time with this because I like both. So we are going to do our project and write it and color it if you have crayons. If you don't, that's okay. But I would like you to at least practice writing. If you don't even have a pencil or crayons, you can use your finger and write. Practice writing with your finger. All right, let's get started. All right, since I do not have either jelly beans nor Peeps at home, I drew pictures of my favorite color jelly beans. I love yellow and green jelly beans, and I love black jelly beans. So those are my favorite colored jelly beans, but I also love Peeps. I like Peeps that sit out for a while, that get hard. So I like both Peeps and jelly beans. So I drew pictures of them at the top of my paper because I don't have any at home right now. So on my paper I wrote, I like both, because I like both Peeps and jelly beans. I like both Peeps. Now I started with a capital P for Peeps because it's the name brand of that candy. That candy is called Peeps, so they start with a capital letter because it's the name brand. So I like both Peeps and jelly beans. I like both Peeps and jelly beans. Now you could say I only like jelly beans, so you could say I like jelly beans, or maybe you only like Peeps, so you could say I like Peeps, or you could completely say I do not like Peeps or jelly beans. I do not like Peeps or jelly beans. Now I added why. So they wanted to know because. So I like both Peeps and jelly beans. And I put a period at the end. Or you could say I like Peeps and jelly beans because, and skip all of this. But I like both Peeps and jelly beans, period. I like them because they are sweet. So I like both Peeps and jelly beans. I like them because they are sweet. So you can pause this and copy it or do your own, but I would like to see your final project. You can write on paper. You don't need to print that paper out. Or you can write on, I have notebook paper here, whatever kind of paper you have, scrap paper, whatever. You don't have to color it. Just write. I want you to be writing today. Practice writing. Practice your lowercase letters. Practice your uppercase letters. And write these sentences for me. So I like both Peeps and jelly beans, period. I like them because they are sweet, period. And make sure you have your finger spaces in between each word. Separate each word so that they're not all squished together, okay? Okay, just so you know, pause the video and you can look and see what I wrote, and you can either copy it or you can write your own sentence. So I want to see your works when you're done. So if you can post them on Dojo, that would be awesome. All right, boys and girls, you have a wonderful Thursday. Bye-bye.